Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I will tell you how to animate image on CapCut PC or Mac. Subscribe and give me a like. This video helps you because your feedback helps me. Alright, import video and import image. Press sticker. Import sticker. Alright, select sticker. Press animation. In, out, loop. Press spring. Change duration. Select sticker. Out, zoom in. Alright, and loop. Pulse. Change speed. Alright. Okay, method 2. Import sticker. Press sticker. Method hotkey. Press keyframe. Okay, and change size and position. Okay. Scale. Alright. Finish, subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because your feedback helps me. Bye.